We achieved 5 crores in one single month with this one simple technique. Simple yet super powerful. Ready? My name is Indu Khatri. I and Mitesh Khatri. We are Law of Attraction coaches and author of this book, The Law of Attraction. In this technique, what do you need? You just need one thread. Any thread is fine. कुछ भी चलेगा. कोई भी सिंपल धागा, कुछ भी. ये मैंने मोली ली है, बट आप कोई भी धागा ले सकते हो. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि मोली होना चाहिए. सिंथेटिक धागा, कॉटन धागा, कोई भी धागा. What do you have to do? First, start with clarity. What do you want? And I want only one affirmation. Like in our case, we had clarity that we wanted to make 5 crore rupees in 1 month. So, you identify what do you want. Have a clarity. What are you looking for? That one single thing I'm looking for. Don't make too many things in one affirmation, okay? So, that one relationship or money or that one job or the health, whatever it is, just identify that. Close your eyes and have clarity. What are you looking for? Okay, got it? Once you have the clarity, now go find a thread, any thread. That's not a problem. Okay, now what do you have to do? You have to close your eyes and visualize end result of that. So in my case, what did I do? I closed my eyes and visualized that I have already made 5 crore rupees this month. So I close my eyes, I visualize I have already made 5 crore rupees this month, and then I have put a knot. And of course a smile. Wear good smile like this. Now again, close your eyes, visualize that you have already got that goal. In my case, I have got 5 crore rupees in this month. Okay, like this. I have done one more knot and a smile. You can add a thank you also. We can do 5, 7. I'm going to show you 5. Okay, again close your eyes and say I've got 5 crore rupees in this month. Now once you have got all this, now hold this like this in your hand. Again close your eyes and visualize that I have already got 5 crore rupees in this month and say thank you. Now what do you do with this thread? You keep this thread visible. You can keep it on your laptop. You can tie it in your hand. I prefer tying it in my hand. Or you can tie it to your purse, or you can tie it to your watch. You can hang it next to your clothes, or you can keep it on your dressing table. I'm just giving you ideas wherever possible, but it should be visible. Now every single time you are seeing this thread, what do you have to do? You have to say thank you for 5 crore rupees. You have to say thank you for that. Now I'll tell you why this will work and what is happening. When you made this thread, you created first thing, you created a clarity. What are you looking for? When you actually got into making this entire thread, you visualized the end result. You had the smile, you got the feelings, right? Now that feeling, those thoughts, that visualization got anchored to this. Now every time you see this, you remember the end result. You remember that, oh wow, I'm making 5 crore rupees this month. I'm making 5 crore rupees this month. And you are affirming that thought again and again. You are visualizing that thing again and again. Your manifestation getting reinstated every single time you're doing it. Your manifestation getting reaffirmed every single time you're seeing the thread. Keep doing it till the time you see the thread. Every single time, just visualize, bring a smile and say thank you and see the result. Within 1 month, you will see results happening. This is one of the techniques we teach in Law of Attraction. हम ऐसे बहुत सारी चीज़ें सिखाते हैं Law of Attraction में जो आप आके अटेंड कर सकते हैं. I'm giving you a complimentary link here in the description where you can get a first lesson of Advanced Law of Attraction absolutely free. You just click on that link, subscribe, and you'll get the invite where you get an invite to attend a first lesson of Advanced Law of Attraction absolutely free. Please do attend and learn more techniques of Law of Attraction and expedite your manifestation by 10 times. फिर से बोलती हूँ, क्या करना है आपको? बहुत सिंपल है. You have to visualize, you have to first have a clarity. क्या चाहिए? एक affirmation. After you got it, end result आपको पता है क्या चाहिए. उसके बाद में उसको आंखें बंद करके विजुलाइज करना है और एक नॉट बांधना है. लाइक दिस यू कैन डू 5 नॉट्स और 7 नॉट्स ऑल्सो आप कर सकते हैं. उसके बाद में इस थ्रेड को विजिबल रखना है. एवरी टाइम यू सी द थ्रेड, यू हैव टू विजुलाइज एंड से थैंक यू. दैट्स इट. आई एम गोइंग टू गेट 2 कॉमन क्वेश्चंस व्हिच आई एम आंसरिंग राइट नाउ. थ्रेड कौन सा होना चाहिए? कुछ भी चलेगा. एनीथिंग, नायलॉन, कॉटन, मोली, धागा, कुछ भी चलेगा. कोई भी थ्रेड यूज़ करो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. दैट इज़ वन. सेकेंड, इसको करना क्या है, बहुत सिंपल है. आप कहीं पे भी रखो, इट शुड बी विजिबल, दैट्स ऑल. पूरे दिन भर में आपको 2-3 बार दिखना चाहिए. मेरा कॉमन प्लेस है हाथ पे, मैं हाथ पे बांध लेती हूँ. बट पर्स पे भी मैं बांध रहा हूँ, आपको मेरे पर्स पे भी एक थ्रेड दिखेगा एट एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. तो आप पर्स पे रख सकते हो, लैपटॉप पे रख सकते हो, कहीं पे भी रख सकते हो. दैट इज़ सेकेंड. थर्ड क्वेश्चन जो मुझे कॉमनली आता है, अब मैनिफेस्टेशन हो गया मैम, मैं इसका करूँ क्या? बहुत सिंपल है. आप चाहो तो फेंक दो और चाहो तो रख लो. मैंने एक ड्रॉअर बना रखा है, अगेन मंदिर में ही बना रखा है, उस ड्रॉअर में मैं रख देती हूँ. तो मेरे पास में रेफरेंसेस है कि थ्रेड टेक्निक से मैंने इतनी सारी चीज़ें मैनिफेस्ट की है. इन माई केस आई हैव यूज दिस फॉर लोड्स ऑफ थिंग्स. यू कैन डू दिस नॉट टेक्निक फॉर एवरीथिंग एंड एनीथिंग. एट वन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम कैन यू डू मल्टीपल थ्रेड्स? येस यू कैन. You do one, keep it at one place, do one more and keep it somewhere else. Simple. Use different colors. So you know कि रेड वाला जो है वो पैसे के लिए, ग्रीन वाला जो है वो हेल्थ के लिए. You can do that as well. But you can try it out with money. You can try it out with simple things in the beginning and see the results. And of course, comment in the chat box and let me know what results you got with my knot technique.